Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Ultra Blue, and this is a sanitizing and charging power bank. So we're going to open this thing up, and I'm going to show you guys what it does. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. I'm actually on a plane right now, and I needed to sanitize it. I usually use those wipes, but why use those wipes when I have this? So we get some instructions. We have a charging cord, USB to USB-C. And then we have our battery pack. So let's check this out here. So it's cool because my phone is actually low on batteries right now. So we're gonna need to charge it, but also, so check out this. This is what it looks like. It's got the MagSafe charger, so I can charge my phone while I'm doing this. And then let's try to turn this on. Oh, look at the bottom. So that's where we can, so I guess it'll have a charger into there and then a cord out to my phone. So pretty cool. So we can push the button here. I think it looks like we have, it comes charged with some charge already. And let's see, do we hold it down? How do we make it go? But hold it down, and then we have the infrared light. So now what I'm gonna do is, if you look at it, so I'm gonna go and rub this all over there, and on the little cover here. Oop. I think it only stays on for like 10 seconds, so you gotta keep doing it. So here we go. So you can kind of see it's doing the blue right there. I'll get my seatbelt in a second once I get both hands, but how cool is that? So this is the Ultra Blue. So you guys need to definitely pick up one of these things so you can charge your phone, and you can do that through that or MagSafe. It's very cool. It's got the rubbery back on it too, so it's gonna stick on the back of my phone. If I put it on, it's on my phone now. It sticks on really good. So super cool. I just started charging, but very cool. So definitely pick up one of these Ultra Blue charging banks. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.